Hi everyone, welcome back to Techie Dialogue. Today I tested 3 of the most talked about free AI video generators in 2026, Veer, Grok, and Meta AI. And the big question is, can you actually create high-quality AI videos without spending a single dollar? Most free generators look great at first. But the moment you try to download your video, you hit a paywall. So in this video, I'll show you the real results from each tool, rank them from worst to best, and reveal the one I would actually use for free. By the end, you'll know exactly which tool is worth your time, which ones struggle, and how to get the best results even on the free tiers, so you can actually use them in your projects without wasting time. Each tool will use similar prompt styles so the comparison stays fair. Let's start with Veer. Veer is a browser-based AI generator that allows you to create both images and videos without even creating an account. What makes it stand out is its separated prompting system, where you can control subject motion and camera movement independently. This is something most free generators do not offer. It's especially useful for cinematic object shots, fantasy visuals, and product-style animations. Step 1. After opening Veer in your browser, look at the top navigation bar and click on the option labeled Text to Image. This will open the image generation workspace where you can enter your prompt. In the prompt box, type the following: cinematic scene of a futuristic astronaut standing on a neon-lit alien planet, glowing plants surrounding the landscape, colorful galaxy sky, ultra-detailed realistic lighting. Before clicking Generate, scroll down to the model selection area. Make sure you select the free quality model, since the Pro and Max models require a paid upgrade. Next, set your aspect ratio to 16.9. So the final result is optimized for video animation. Once everything is set, click the Generate button and wait for the image to render. Step 2. After your image finishes generating, download it to your device. Then move to the Image to Video section inside Veer. Click on Upload and select the astronaut image you just created. Once the image loads into the animation workspace, you'll see 2 separate prompt fields. In the Action prompt box, type: the astronaut slowly raises one hand as holographic interface screens appear around them, glowing softly. Then move to the Camera prompt box and type: slow cinematic orbit around the astronaut with a slight upward tilt, dramatic depth of field. After entering both prompts, keep the remaining settings on their default free options and click Generate to create the animated clip. Step 3. To test how Veer handles human animation, upload a portrait-style image of a person into the same image-to-video workspace. In the Action prompt field, type: the man gently smiles and adjusts his glasses while a soft breeze moves his hair. In the Camera prompt field, type: slow push in toward his face with natural handheld camera motion. Click Generate to produce the final animation. You'll notice the body movement works well, although small facial details may slightly morph during motion, which is common for free AI video tools. Next is Grok. Grok is part of a larger AI ecosystem and offers image and video generation inside its creative workspace. Its biggest advantage is automatic variation generation. Instead of producing one image at a time, it continuously generates multiple options that you can scroll through and refine. This makes it faster for ideation and storytelling visuals. Step 1. After signing into Grok, navigate to the main dashboard and open the workspace called Imagine. This is Grok's built-in AI image generation tool, where you can create visuals from text prompts. Inside the prompt field, type the following: whimsical scene of a small panda sitting inside a coffee shop, holding a cup of latte, rain falling outside the window, soft cinematic lighting, cozy atmosphere. Once you submit the prompt, Grok will generate multiple image variations. Take your time to scroll through the results and review each version carefully. If you want to refine the image, click on the Edit option below your selected result and modify the prompt. For example, you can type: make the panda wear round glasses and a yellow scarf. Then regenerate to see the updated version. Step 2. After selecting or finalizing your image, move to the video generation feature within the same workspace. Upload or select the generated panda image to begin the animation process. you'll see a video prompt field where you can describe the motion. In the video prompt box, type, "The panda gently blows on the hot coffee, takes a sip, and looks outside the rainy window." Keep the default animation settings if you're using the free version, then click Generate to create the animated sequence. This will convert your still image into a short motion clip based on your description. Step 3. To test Grok's full text-to-video capability, go back to the main prompt window and switch the generation mode from image to video. Now enter a completely new prompt such as Cyberpunk City Alley at night, holographic signs flickering, light rain falling, steam rising from street vents, cinematic camera movement. After submitting the prompt, Grok will generate a fully animated video clip directly from text without needing an image first. This feature is useful when you want to create environment shots, cinematic backgrounds, or storytelling scenes from scratch. Finally, we have Meta AI. Meta AI integrates image and video generation directly within its chatbot interface. What sets it apart is its ability to generate high-quality images and animations from text prompts, giving you flexibility and creative control through detailed prompting. Step 1. Generate your base image. Open the Meta AI chatbot in your browser and go to the Create section. This is where you can generate both images and animations from text prompts. In the prompt field, type, "Epic fantasy castle on a cliff during sunset, dramatic clouds, golden sunlight reflecting on the water, highly detailed cinematic photography, realistic lighting, depth of field, soft shadows." Click Generate and wait for the AI to render your image. Step 2. Animate the scene. Click on the generated image. Select Custom Animation. In the animation prompt box, type, "The castle slowly rotates into view as sunlight streams through the clouds and birds fly across the sky. Cinematic camera movement." Click Generate and wait for the animation to render. The AI will animate environmental elements along with camera motion based on your prompt. Step 3. Test human animation. Start by generating a portrait image. In the prompt field, type, "A young woman walking through a rainy city street at night. Reflections on wet asphalt, soft cinematic lighting, natural pose, realistic details." After the image is generated, click on the image and select Custom Animation. In the animation prompt box, type, "She looks up at the neon lights, smiles slightly, and adjusts her umbrella as the camera slowly pushes in for a close-up." Click Generate to create the clip. You should notice smoother motion and better facial stability than most free generators, though minor distortions can still appear in some frames. So here's the conclusion. Across all three generators, the same limitations appeared. Free users often face long waiting queues, which can be frustrating if you just want to test a quick idea. Prompt accuracy is another challenge. Even if you write exactly what you want, the results don't always match your description. And because free tiers use older models, you'll notice morphing, less realistic motion, and occasional visual glitches. This all happens for a simple reason. AI video generation requires a lot of computing power, energy, and server infrastructure. Free tools have to cut corners to stay sustainable. Now for the rankings, third place goes to Veer, which stands out for its camera control and cinematic object shots. Second place goes to Grok, which shines with its workflow, automatic variations, and creative flexibility. And first place goes to Meta AI, which delivers the best overall quality on a free tier, especially for photorealistic images and smooth animation. If you're experimenting with AI videos and want a reliable free option, Meta AI is the one I'd personally recommend. So, can you create AI videos for free? Yes, but there are limits. Free generators are perfect for storyboarding, social media clips, concept visuals, or just experimenting with ideas. But if you want cinematic realism and smoother animations, paid tools are still the best. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more step-by-step tutorials on AI tools, tech hacks, and creative workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode of Techie Dialogue.